There we go, baby. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, look at that. Just dripping. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the freaking channel, Walking on Water. In today's episode, it's kind of a new episode. We are out here on a lake up in North Idaho, and we are targeting trout today, okay? I put together a few different trout lures that we're gonna take a look at in just a second, and I wanted to come out and test them out against trout. And hey, it's always humbling to come out here and catch fish, and it's always a fun experience if you do get to come out here and just slay trout. It's always a freaking amazing experience, and it's great for your family, and it's always amazing to get to watch your kids get on their first types of fish. And so my kids particularly, they caught trout for their first fish, so I always love getting out every once in a while and going and bonking a few trout on the head. Today's setups that we brought with us today are not your normal everyday walk into Walmart and pick up some spinners. I put together my own inline setups. One is a 3.5 Simon blade setup, and another one is a little, it's like a 1.5 blade setup. And we're gonna try both of these setups today, and we're just gonna see how they do. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go catch some freaking trout. Guys, so we're up here trolling in North Idaho on one of our local lakes for rainbow trout today. We're running a 3.5 on one spinner setup that we tied up ourselves inline, a little Walking on Water special. And then we have like a 1.5 size blade that we have on the other one that we've actually used before on my channel. I don't know if you guys have seen the video or not, but if you haven't, you should go check it out. It's me and my wife's fishing challenge on this exact same lake. Okay, so we're gonna run 2 spinner setups today. Hopefully catch a freaking fish for you guys. Drop a like, you guys. Comment down below what your favorite trout lake is to fish and where you're tuning in from. I would love to freaking hear it. Let's go bonk us a freaking fish, baby. Come on. There we go, baby. Finally, let's go. Woo, fish on. Let's go. Whew, on the 3.5 Simon Smiley blade. Keep her going straight here. I got the 30-inch drift sock on the boat right now, so it goes everywhere. It wants to turn with the freaking drift sock. Woo! Yeah, baby. Keep it out away from the boat. Fish number 1. Let's go, guys. Frick yeah. Gorgeous freaking fish. There it is, guys. Absolute gorgeous little rainbow. That's what we came here for. There we go. Woo! Couldn't even let the other rod out yet. Didn't even let the other rod out. Keep pressure on it with the motor. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, let's go. Just cranked it. This one was back 100 feet. Yeah, let's go, guys. Fish number 2. Really fast, gonna reset this rod. So we're at least fishing. Not quite a double, but close. Right through the side of the lip, guys. Right through the side of the lip on the homemade little walking on water trout spinner. All right, guys, 2 in about a 5-minute stretch right there. Getting the second rod redeployed really fast. Both on homemade walking on water inline trout spinners. Now the whole point of all of this, first of all, I'm an avid fisherman, obviously, so I love fishing. But catching something on something that you made yourself is super rewarding, and honestly, it's super easy to do, and it's gonna cost you less money because with the materials that you can purchase to make your own stuff, make your own lures for kokanee, for salmon, for trout, steelhead, so on and so forth. There we go, right there, baby. Woo! Just freaking cranked it. Just let it back out. And what I'm saying is, it's so freaking rewarding, guys, and it's gonna cost you about the same amount of money. Well, you're gonna save money in the end, right? You're gonna save money because you're gonna get 6 or 7, 8 lures out of buying the materials to make them yourself versus spending $4 on one. You know what I mean? So you'll spend 10 bucks, but you'll get 6 freaking lures. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. That clicker off. One after the other right there. It's a nice fish. Woo! Let's go, guys. This is a lot better fish right here. Just freaking smoked it. I just set the rod back in the rod holder, started talking about lures for 2 seconds, and we got freaking linked up. When I'm out here fishing for these, it screams my freaking childhood. It screams memories. The nostalgia just hits every time. And honestly, it makes me remember why and how I fell in love with fishing. So, see you later. Always a good time getting out here and remembering where you came from and just enjoying fishing at its finest, honestly. There we go, baby. It's a nice fish. Woo! Let's go. That was a nice fish, you guys. Let's go. Fish on. There we go, baby. Woo, chaos. Let's go. There we go. Oh yeah, baby, this is a nice one. They're so fun to catch on these kokanee rods, guys. So fun to catch on these kokanee rods. This is actually a freaking nice fish. This is actually a really freaking nice fish. No! No! That was a freaking super nice fish, you guys. Dumb. I tightened the drag down a little bit. Oh, I tightened the drag down a little bit because I was just gonna grab the net and rip it in, and sometimes you can't do that. Sometimes you can't just rip them in the boat. Gotta actually do it the right way and freaking let them run a little bit and freaking, man, that was definitely a way nicer fish. There we go, baby. Oh, it's a nice fish. Woo! Little freaking redemption fish after losing that big one out there. Oh! Woo! Let's go. Another freaking absolute gorgeous freaking rainbow. Oh my gosh, this one's gorgeous. This one is freaking gorgeous, you guys. What a freaking fish. Oh. Well, all right, look at that, just dripping. It's funny because I was actually saying no matter what, this is gonna be my last fish anyways, and what better to shove a hook all the way into your finger and have to rip the barb out. Wow, a massive bald eagle. Absolute massive bald eagle came down. Probably got that fish that just freaking cranked my... Absolute massive bald eagle. Circle of life's coming full circle out here. Okay, guys, thank you so freaking much for tuning into this episode of Walking on Water. I absolutely love fishing. There's no doubt in my mind. It's one of my favorite freaking things to do. It's fun to do with family and friends. It's amazing to do by yourself. It's peaceful, gives you time to think, an adrenaline rush. It's just one of the funnest things, in my opinion, to go out and go do, especially when you catch a freaking fish. It's just amazing. And so, just thank you guys so freaking much for tuning into this episode of Walking on Water. I'll catch you guys in the freaking next one.